when I tell you that the smell and the fragrance, it smells like cocoa. It's so good. It looks like cocoa, it's brown, and it does its thing. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And hello, newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, honey, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for the third. Honey, we do not keep tabs around here. We really don't worry about things like that. I just want all of my subs, and I want all of my noobs, that's subbies and newbies, to get it together and come on in. Today, I got some things to show and tell you about, because we did a little bit of shopping. We got some mail. We got mail. Okay, so for today, I got some things to show and tell about, because we did a little bit of shopping. Yes, honey, I did. I picked up a couple of things from a couple of different categories. We're talking hair, we're talking skincare. So with that being said, I'm just going to run down really quickly what I picked up and give you my initial thoughts on some of these things. And then we're going to wrap this up and get up out of here. So what do you think? I think we should get started, honey. So that's what we're about to do. Now, just in case you guys are not caught up on current events, I told you guys, I think a couple videos ago, maybe one or two, we don't keep up with numbers around here. But about a video or so ago, I was talking about how I was running low on my Helichrysum shampoo by Theory. And I told you guys that they were having a little bit of a sale. So I know some of you partook in the discountation, okay, online. And so did I. So I did re-up on my shampoo. And again, for all those who are not familiar, it is the Helichrysum shampoo by Theory, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's the Helichrysum and plum. It used to be just Helichrysum, but now they threw some plum in there, and I am not complaining. And I will make a note that, now this is the original that I had. This is the conditioner, but the shampoo bottle looks exactly the same. So they did change the packaging a little bit. Well, the label. They changed the label. The label's a little brighter, more plumish, if you will. And I do see, because the ingredients that are listed, I do see that they did add plum seed oil to this, hence the change of the name, or the addition to the name, Helichrysum and plum. Okay, so I did notice a little difference there, but everything else should be the same as far as its efficacy. So I got 3 bottles of just the shampoo, because I have enough of the conditioner left, so I didn't really need to re-up on that. And they threw in a little sample of their nourishing body wash. This is the little bottle that it came in. I haven't tried it yet, but again, I'm a fan of Theory, so I am looking forward to using this. This is the Nourishing Body Wash, and it's made with marula, argan, and coconut oil, in addition to shea butter. It smells pretty good, so I am looking forward to using this. And y'all let me know, other people that have ordered from Theory as of recent, y'all let me know if you got the same, I guess, bonus, if you got the same sample. Let's compare notes, okay? I want to see what y'all got, so y'all just let me know down below. Speaking of a sale, y'all know, or maybe you don't, it is hard for me to resist when I see the letters SALE and then a percentage after that. I at least gotta look. So I went into my Target not too long ago, and I saw that Bliss products were, I think they were on clearance. They were on a sale and they were on clearance. So I picked up one product. And for those who are not familiar, Bliss is a line of, I guess, skincare products. I believe it all started from Bliss spas, and then they created their own products, and that could be found in Target stores as well as online. So with that being said, I was introduced to these products last year or so. I got this as a gift from my job, a little care package, which included the lemon and sage satin skin body polish. Now, I'm all for a good scrub. I love facial scrubs and I do like body scrubs. I really do. In fact, I want to re-up on the one by, I believe it's Giovanni. And it is like a cocoa, I think it's a cocoa body polish. And when I tell you that the smell and the fragrance, it smells like cocoa. It's so good. It looks like cocoa. It's brown and it does its thing. It's by Giovanni. And we talked about Giovanni before, but we are going to focus in on Bliss right now. And this is what it looks like. And basically with their products, the theme is lemon. It's like a citrus. So I believe all of their products have some type of lemon vibe to it. And it does smell good. This is lemon and sage. And it seems to be a fine grit to it. And I would liken it to sugar, you know, that type of consistency, that type of texture, as opposed to walnut or some of the other ingredients that can be found in exfoliants. So like I said, when I got to Target, my interest was already piqued. And when I saw that they were on clearance, I grabbed one thing. This is the Drench and Quench Rich Water Cream All Day Moisture for Dry Skin. And this has hyaluronic acids in it. Now, y'all already know I already upped my game, my skincare game, by adding Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. So I wasn't really on the hunt for anything new to put on my face or my skin, but it was on clearance, y'all. What can I say? That's just me. I just had to do it. So, and I did it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just a white light cream. It's not heavy at all. It's very light. And with that being said, it's okay. You know, it's okay. It's not a stiff cream. And it's just okay. It's just okay. Maybe there's a reason why it was on clearance, but that's neither here nor there. We got it now. Now, this doesn't smell as lemony as the scrub, but it does not really have a distinct fragrance overall to me. It just smells like a generic product. Does that make any sense? There's no signature smell or anything that stands out. And as I put it on my skin, you do feel the moisture. I did try it on my face and it was okay. You know, it was okay. And that's what it looks like on my skin. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to use this for my hands, maybe, you know, my neck, my elbows, something like that. But as far as my face is concerned, I don't think I'm going to stick to the Tatcha, as well as the other cream that I have for my face, or the moisturizer, and I think that'll be that. So buying this wasn't a disaster. You know what I'm saying? It's not a disaster, and it's not a disaster. Instead of on our face, we're just going to use it on our hands. So we get a little personal up in this piece, okay? Just for a second. When I was first introduced to this product, I remember just being shocked that I would pay so much for such a thing. I got this in a little gift set with the perfume that I bought, and I was hooked. And this is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant. And so it is about 1.7 ounces. Now, she does have a cashmere mist perfume and parfum. Okay, so there is a scent line, a fragrance line called Cashmere Mist. And this is part of that line. So it has that same smell to it. If I were to liken it to anything, it's sort of a light powdery smell, and it has a sweet note to it. So with that being said, I love the scent. And so the deodorant is a nice complement to that whole bundle, to that whole scent profile, if you will. So this is a solid, okay? Now I haven't opened it yet, but it's a solid, so you're going to screw the bottom and it comes up like that. And on me, it does last. Now, I know just like with perfumes and parfums and different personal things, different people can have different reactions as far as their body chemistry, so forth and so on. And this is a deodorant and antiperspirant. So it's not just a deodorant, but it's supposed to keep you or slow down or stave off perspiring a lot. Because there is a difference. There are some deodorants that just, that just add a little perfumery to your sweat. And there are antiperspirants that slow that whole process down, or at least tamp it down. So this is supposed to be both, and I can attest to that on me, it does work as both. And I have been buying this for a while, or a really long while. So this is my go-to outside of what I would buy at a drugstore. But I usually try and keep this in my staple. I really do. And I know at one point it was hard to find. Like I went online and I don't know what happened. Maybe it was, I don't know, something broke down in the chain supply and all this other stuff. But it was hard to find online and even in the stores. Normally I get it from Sephora or Ulta, and neither had it. So with that being said, when this came up on Ulta, I grabbed like 4 of them. So with that being said, I had re-upped on this, and I love it. So that's about it. So we done talked about hair care, skin care, personal care. So with that being said, I think we done covered just about everything that was on the list for today. So you know what that means. It's time to get up out of here. Yes, honey, it is time to close up shop. So we're going to wrap this up in a bow and get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, and that's what we're about to do. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, you gotta come on back because we gonna talk about some more stuff. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.